Hello kids, welcome back. In today's session, we are going to do mixed small and big friends questions. Okay guys, so let's start with our first question. 10, okay. Minus 6. Minus 6 formula, minus 10 plus 4 because no beats for minus 6, so we have applied the formula. Plus 7, formula of plus 7 because no beats for plus 7, plus 10 minus 3. Plus 4, no beats, formula of plus 4, plus 5, minus 1, minus 6. No beats for minus 6, formula, minus 10 plus 4. We have to do plus 4 again, no beats for plus 4, formula of plus 4, plus 10, minus 6. I hope it's clear guys, answer is 13. Next question. Add 3, okay. Add a 1, add a 1. Again add a 1. No beats, formula of 1 plus 5 minus 4. Small friends, because when we can do small friends, we will do small friends. When we can't do small friends, then we will do big friends. Minus 2, can't do minus 2, formula of minus 2, minus 5 plus 3, plus 9. Can't do 9, formula of plus 9, plus 10 minus 1, minus 8. Can't do minus 8, formula of minus 8, minus 10 plus 2. Answer is 4. Last question, guys. Let's take a bigger one. At 20, okay, added 20. How is this 20, ma'am? 2, 0, 20. Okay, minus 7, no beats for minus 7, so minus 10 plus 3, plus 2, no beats for plus 2, formula of plus 2, plus 5 minus 3, minus 7, no beats for minus 7, formula of minus 7, minus 10 plus 3. Again plus 3, no beats for plus 3, can't do small friends also, big friends formula, plus 10, minus 7. Now again minus 7. No beats for minus 7. Formula of minus 7. Minus 10 plus 3. Our answer is 4. I hope it's clear guys. Okay. If you think my speed is slow, you can watch it in the faster speed and do. And if you are confused in the formula, still confused, you can watch it in the same speed. Okay. And you can check yourself in the test sessions also that we are doing after every concept. Okay. I'll see you in the next class with more such concepts. Bye bye.